Hello everyone. Welcome back to Artificial Professor. In today's video, we'll be showing you how to see your history on Spotify. So, let's dive right in. First things first, open the Spotify app on your device and tap on this timer icon in the upper right corner. It will take you to the recently played songs page where you can check all your history for a month or just a day. There is another method for checking your history on Spotify. Just tap on the library icon in the bottom right corner and tap on the playlist to create a new one. After creating the playlist, swipe right until you see the option Recently Added. This also shows the recently played songs, which means your history. That's it for today's tutorial, and if you found this tutorial helpful, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more useful guides. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.